putting in the work for them, I guess. Lots of nouns. Whole lot of nouns. What'd you guys come up with? What did we find? Lots of immature and pronouns. And then one proper noun. Dylan is a proper noun. Which when I first started teaching was a really popular boy's name and girl's name. But I don't think I've had a Dylan in a while. Maybe I'm forgetting someone. What else do we have for nouns? My is a possessive noun. Friend is a noun. Now we're rolling. Good. Friend is a noun. Now with my, make sure that you're being specific that it's a first person possessive pronoun, not just a possessive noun, but it's specifically first person. It is my friend. What else do we have? We have 3 more common nouns. They could be a mix of pronouns or a mix of immature nouns. Actually, I can tell you that they're all pronouns. I, good deal. I didn't see that one at first, Maggie, sorry. So that is a first person nominative pronoun. One of our pronouns is kind of hidden in with one of our verbs. And another one's going to come from a list. If you look underneath reflective pronouns, reflexive, I think it's a reflexive pronouns. There we go. Good. That is a reflexive pronoun, so it has RP above it. All right. See if we found our other one yet. So our other one is actually mixed in with its. Remember that its is a combination of a verb and our third person objective pronoun, because we're talking about the activity that it's fun. Okay. So it is actually in this word. That's why it has 2 boxes above it. We have another example with 2 boxes above it over here in just 1 second. So now we're on to adjectives and adverbs. And I gave you a hint where the adverb's at just now, because it's also blended in with another word. What adjectives and what adverb do we have? We actually don't have any articles. Best is an adjective. Good. Describes what type of friend we have. So this one is an adjective. We have a predicate adjective this week, and then we have an adverb that's blended in with another. So with one of our helping verbs. Yeah, it's blended in with a helping verb. Good, Maggie. Yep. Doesn't is partly a helping verb, and it's also an adverb. So like I said, 2 boxes above here, make sure you find the right one. And we've got an adverb. I'll go ahead and tell you the does is a helping verb. So the combination of a helping verb and an adverb make that doesn't. We have one more adjective. It happens to be in the predicate. It's probably not what you're having right now. There we go. Fun is probably the adjective that we're not having at the moment, and I get it. I appreciate you guys being up and moving around. All right. So now we are on to, we have a conjunction and a gerund. Remember, a gerund is when we take a verb, add ing to it, and we make it a noun. So we have a gerund, and we have one of our conjunctions. Good. Swimming is our gerund, and but is the conjunction. Well done. So CC above our but, and then gerund above swimming. Okay, so we have found one of our verbs. We said that one was doesn't. So that means we have 3 spots left with like, think, and in this case, it would be is. What type of verbs do we think all 3 of them are? One of them is different than the other 2. Think is gonna be just like. We can show it. It just looks different than a normal showing of a verb. So think is just like, and both of them are action verbs and present tense. You can show like, and you can show think. Now, think might be something that's like in theory you can show. Just like you have to make a physical action to show like, or maybe write a letter. I guess that would still be a physical action. So is the only one we have left. What do we think is? Yep, is will most commonly be a linking verb. The only time that it isn't if it's just showing existence. So we'll keep it the same tense. Linking verb present. All right. So DGP Wednesday. Any questions? Any concerns? Anyone just generally